Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The sticky situation at hand involves a Markdown file with text and tables that need to be converted to a PDF. However, there's a pesky table where the columns are overlapping, causing a bit of a headache. The aim is to resolve this issue and ensure that the columns display properly in the converted PDF document. Now, onto the solution. The trick to fixing the overlapping columns lies in adjusting the widths and layout of the table. By utilizing a Lua filter, we can tweak the table display settings to prevent the columns from overlapping. The key is to set specific column widths that accommodate the table content without causing any overlap. It's all about ensuring that the table is visually appealing and easy to read once converted to PDFs. In the provided code, the focus is on adjusting the column widths dynamically based on the number of columns in the table. By implementing these adjustments, we can enhance the table layout and eliminate any overlap issues. This meticulous approach to table formatting is essential in guaranteeing a seamless transformation from Markdown to PDF, with each column neatly aligned and clearly delineated. To sum it up, by implementing these adjustments to the table layout, we can successfully resolve the issue of overlapping columns and ensure a polished PDF output. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one. And remember, keep coding and creating with a smile.